Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Today in this activity, we are going to do something interesting. We are going to play a game and we are going to learn about the division squares. So yes, this is a square and in this is called a division square. I hope you all can see the division symbol. Right, so this is a division square where we have to complete this puzzle, okay, and we have to keep in mind that we are gonna use only one fundamental operation, and that is division. You all are supposed to make the same square grid as I have made, and now we are going to fill it. Okay, so as I told you that we are going to start from this line, right? So think of, first of all, which number will be divided when divided by 5 will give the answer as 10. Think. Also we can do as a trick that whenever we have to find out this missing number, that which number will be divided by 5 and it gives 10s, we can multiply these two numbers. So 10 into 5, the answer is 50. 50. Now you can say that when 50 is divided by 5, it gives the answer as 10, right? Okay, so now we'll start with this line, okay? So 50 divide by which number and it will give answer as 2? Think. So whenever we have to find out the missing number, what do? So when we have to find out this, we will divide 50 by 2. If we divide it, we get the answer as 25. So 50 divided by 25, answer is 2. Also, we can verify it by multiplying this number with 2. So 25 into 2, the answer is 50. Correct? Now we are going to do this line, right? So 25 divided by 5, the answer is 5. This was easy. So 10 divided by 5. We all know that's easy. So 10 divided by 5, answer is 2. Correct? So which number will be divided by 2 and the answer will be 2 only? Think. Okay, I think some of you have got the answer. When we divide 2 by 1, we get 2 as the answer, right? 2 ones are 2. Correct? Very nice. So I hope we are done with the puzzle. Fine. Now let's take a different example. I'll change this question. You copy the same grid as I have drawn. Now we are going to solve it. Ready everyone? Okay. So I can see my first line, right? I can see 10 divided by some number and answer gives 2. Think of it first of all. So whenever we have to find this number, we divide 10 with 2. So 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. So 10 divided by 5, answer is always 2. We can verify it, right? 5 multiplied by 2, answer is 10. Correct? So that means we solved it correctly. Now we can solve this one. Ready? So 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. That was easy, no? We can verify also. 5 into 2, the answer is 10. Correct? Now 5 divided by 5. Now, so 5 divided by 5, the answer is 1. And now we'll be doing this line. Which number will be divided by 2 only to give the answer 1? We did it in previous question also, right? So when we will divide the number with the number itself. So 2 divided by 2, answer is 1. Easy. Now, number will be written here when we have to divide it with 2 and answer is 2 only. So the answer would be 1. 2 divided by 1, answer is 2. Right? I hope you all were able to understand this. Let's try with another part, okay? Alright, ready everyone? You all can draw the same square grid. Ready? Okay, so now let's get started with the first line. 36 divided by 6. So we all know that 36 comes in table of 6, correct? 6 is 36. So the answer is 6. Now which number should I write here to get the answer as 2? I would write 3. Right? 6 divided by 3, answer is 2. Which number should I write here to get answer as 4? So I'll divide 36 by 4 only. I know 36 comes in table of 4 at the place of 9. So 36 divided by 9, answer is 4. Which number should I write here to get the answer as 2? So 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Easy. The last one, 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. Done? Now let's start with this one. Hope you all have copied it. Now we'll be starting from this row. Okay, some number is divided by 8 and it gives the answer as 6. And I just don't know this answer, so I'm going to multiply both the numbers, okay? So now 6 multiplied by 8, the answer is 48. So here we can understand that 48 divided by 8, the answer is 6, correct? Now we are going to do the first line. You all can see this 48 divided by 12 and the answer is, can anyone tell? The answer would be 4. 12 4 the 48, correct? Now we are going to do this line. 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. And the last line, 6 divided by which number, and the answer would be 2. So I would write here 3. 8 divided by 4, the answer is 2. I am bringing out my next square. Be ready. Now let's start with this one. 42 divided by 2, the answer is 21. Right? Now 21 divided by 3, the answer is 7. Now 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. Which number would be divided by 1 and the answer is 7? So 7 itself, correct? Now I got these two numbers to find out this number. 42 would be divided by which number to get 7? The answer would be 6. So 42 divided by 6, the answer is 7. Right? Get ready for the another one. Okay, so now which number would be divided by 10 to get the answer as 2? So 10 into 2, answer is 20. 20 when divided by 10, it gives the answer 2. Now 20 divided by which number, the answer is 5? So 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Now 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. 5 divided by which number, the answer will be 1? So 5 divided by 5. Now let's do the next one. 40 divided by 8, the answer would be 5. 8 5, so 40. 5 divided by which number, the answer would be 1? So 5 when divided by 5 only, the number itself, then the answer would be 1. 4 divided by which number, the answer would be 1? So again 4 divided by 4, the answer would be 1. Right? Now 40 divided by which number, the answer would be 4. So 40 when divided by 10, it would, at that time we'll get the answer as 4. Right? So now 10 divided by which number, the answer would be 5. So 10 divided by 2, the answer would be 5. We can also check from here. 8 divided by 2, the answer would be 4. That means we have solved it correctly. Right? This is our final ones. Okay. So we all know the 54, the number 54 comes in table of 6, right? At the place of 9, right? 9 when divided by which number will get the answer as 9 itself? So with the 1, right? So 9 divided by 1, the answer is 9. Now 2 divided by which number, the answer would be 1. When we will divide it with the number itself, correct? 2 divided by 2 gives the answer as 1, right? Now 54 divided by 2, the answer would be, so we need to divide it, right? We have also an option that we can solve this one. 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. Correct? So which number when divided by 3 gives the answer as 9? So here I'll multiply 9 with 3. 9 3 the 27. I hope you all got the answer. When we divide 54 by 22, we get 27 as the answer, right? You all are supposed to draw these square grids on your own in your notebooks and have to complete it. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.